Okay, welcome again, mathematics lesson. Chapter 5, Section 8, Congruent Figures. So this lesson will be shorter than the other lessons because the topic is very easy. If two figures are congruent, then they are uh, exactly the same shape and they are exactly the same size. So if two figures are congruent, then they are exactly the same shape and exactly the same size. So by the other way, if they are same shape, like triangle, like octagon, like circle, and if they are exactly same size, so we can call them congruent. This is the beginning. Let's show you a picture here. As you see, there are some circles. So what you talk about which the circles inside the other circles is. The first one is that color, and the other one is the blue one. Yeah, what do you think? They are exactly congruent. I'm sure about it. They are exactly congruent shared circles, but that's a little, I think, look like an illusion. And I can say that one, these small circles are congruent each other. These circles are congruent each other. That one and that one congruent. They are all circles and the size. For example, the small one and big one is not congruent. They are same shape, but not exactly same size. So the size must be matched. So if you look this shape, but I think the left one look like smaller, but it's not. Sorry. Okay, let's continue. Uh, some example from your book. Identify any congruent figures. As I say, this is a chess table, and I know that in the chess table all squares are exactly square, and they're exactly same size. Okay, all squares are congruent. I can say that one. It doesn't make the color, so they're both square, the black one and the red one. So all reds are congruent shapes. We are talking about shapes, not the color. So I think the circles are here. These are checkers, I think. I don't know what they are calling that one. I don't play. I play chess. Chess is better. So I can say all these circles are congruent. They are same size and same shape. Let's continue the second one. This is A. If you look at the B, all the circles, they are all circles. They are all same shape. But if you check their size, the outside is bigger, biggest one the outside, and the smallest one is a dot here, I think. So they're all different size, so they are not congruent. We cannot talk about congruency here. Let's continue. Identify congruent triangles. As you see, these two triangles are congruent. They are not same, and they are not exactly same triangles, but they are same shape. They're both of them triangle. As you see, uh, if I draw here a line, it looks like reflection. We will learn it maybe next lesson, but it looks like mirror. They are exactly 4, 4, 3, 3, 5, 5. All sides are congruent. The shapes is triangle, so two triangles are congruent. They are same shape and they are congruent. As you look at this that one, now this thing's another one. In the circle, we talk about the same shape, different size. But uh, if you look at that one, 14, 14, 35, 35, these two, let's not put here, as you see 35, 35, yeah, they have same length. As a length, they are same, but their angles are different. So they're not same shape. The size are matching 14 meter or 35 meter, I think it's written meter. Yes, they are matching, the size are matching, but the shapes are different. One of them parallelogram and the other is rectangle, so they are not congruent figures. For congruent figures, they must be same shape and same size. Okay, so first triangles are congruent, but this two shape is not congruent. So I'm not talking about this triangle and this rectangle quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral because they are not same shape. So let's continue. Using congruence to find the missing measure. Okay, that's one easy one. Use if these two is congruent, so 62, 62, I can say that the missing angle here is 93 because 118, 62, 62, let's mark them. Just I want to make the video longer. So 62, 62, 118, 118 is matching. So 87, 87 is matching. What is left? 93 left. So this must be 93. Let's make it with red. These red are congruent, so it's 93. Let's continue with the second example. If this shape is congruent, it must be congruent if we are looking to so this 2 centimeter is matching, 3 centimeter is matching, 4 centimeter is matching. So I get here 5 centimeter. So what is missing? The missing is here 3 centimeter. So this is 3 centimeter. There is 3 centimeter. So corresponding. So similar side. If you see, this look like so 3 centimeter, and this must be 3 centimeter either. So that's all. That's the end of the lesson. What do we talk about? We talk about congruency. If two shape is exactly the same and exactly same side, exactly same shape, we talk they're congruent. So we can use this the congruency to find missing numbers. And that's all. Thanks for watching.